It is time to set up my Laurel Denise Kristy for week 22. This is a video that I'm filming in advance because we will be on vacation and I kind of want to get it set up in advance so that I can put everything in it that we are doing, and then I can refer to it as far as when I'm packing and getting organized because everything's in it. Now, if you've been following and you know, I have my small Undated rose, which is my travel, I don't know, planner, I would call it. So everything's in here already, and I've been using it to put all of our details and everything. But my Kristy is the hub of everything. So I want to kind of take what's in the small rose, get it into the Kristy, at least the things that are set in stone, like the train and the hotel and like little things like that. We do have some dinner reservations that we've booked. So those are the kind of things I want to get into this. I am not going to be traveling with either planner. I've also done, you're going to think I'm crazy, but I've also done a Canva document that everything is in there too. So I have it in 3 places, and then it's in my calendar. So I'm overdoing it, meaning my digital calendar. So yes, am I a little bit over organized? Maybe, but I kind of like it. And also I want to be able to come back into my Kristy next year and go, oh, where were we? What did we do? And all the things. And I like having everything in one place. Not that I can't go into the small rose and do it as well, because it's in here too. But you know, it is what it is. So we need to be consistent. This is a weekly planner series, and week 22 needs to get done. So I'm going to turn this around. I'm going to set up week 22 and then see where this takes us for the end of the month, because then we'll be going into June, and that is going to be a totally different month. So let's do this. I am still going to be using the rest of the Planner Kate stickers that I have as far as structure, but then I'm going to be playing with some other Happy Planner stickers, I think, travel stickers, to add that kind of element to the week. So turning this around, and let's do it. If you were here last week, you saw that I set up the first part of the trip like this, and then this is the second part. So let's just take these off and let's get into it. I am going to be using these, like I said. This is week 22. I don't know what I'm going to do. So let's see how this evolves. I'm leaving most of this blank because I'm going to fill it in later with where we're going and what we're doing, so that it's not in real time in here. And I think for privacy and all that, I mean, you'll see it later, but this is going to stay pretty empty for now. I'm just going to fill in the details later. And then as far as the weather, I've got to fill that in as well. But I was trying to really use this see the world, travel. And look, there's some fun things in here. So I've got to add that actually to the week before, and, you know, vacation, here we go, day 1, last day, and all that. So I'm going to add some of these in, maybe do official itinerary up here. Maybe I should add that, flights and such. And then we've got some great little stickers in here that I can add later. And then I've used a lot of these, but I don't think this one's still available. And I thought these were kind of great for the days that we're actually moving to new places. So I could just write, you know, day to go. Maybe I'll put one of these little stickers in there, right in here, time to explore, adventure, whatever. Or some of those other ones that I saw. But it takes time because you want to kind of think it through slowly. Oh, I didn't even put the numbers there, so I need to do that as well. So where are those? I'll do that in a minute. So I'll do those later. I'll add those dates in. This is Memorial Day, so I probably need to put something there for that. Let me add that really quickly. Okay, I fixed that. I can't believe I forgot the dates. I love having a structure in here and being able to fill in all the details, which I'll do later. Sit down here, spend a little time going through every sort of little thing that we've got on our itinerary, adding it in here so we have it. And then when I get back, I'll show you the end results and all that because it's kind of fun, I'm sure, to see it. I don't know, I may add another one of these long bars at the bottom. This one says, look up and get lost. I love that. I think that's just such a great little thing. So it's fun to mix and match different stickers. I could have probably done something different up here, but because I already had those stickers, I'm using them. I'm not trying to get too fussy, but it all works. It totally works. So thank you so much for watching me sort of set this up as just a base for what I'm gonna put in here. And then next week will be week 23, which will be the first week in June. And hopefully, while I don't have it now as I'm setting that up, hopefully my June monthly will be set up and that'll be posted as well because I'm looking forward to those stickers arriving and having that done. But yeah, it's really nice actually to do these in advance so that I can fill in all the information and have it set and ready to go. So if you have not already, hit the like and subscribe. Don't forget, you'll get notified when the next video goes up. That'll be week 23. So thank you so much for being here with me, and check back because you're gonna wanna see what we did on our trip. And I'm actually kind of excited to see how it's gonna evolve too. So I'll see you then.